Hello everyone, this movie will be a quick guide how to connect your mobile phone to Android radio. The movie was requested through the comments, so this is the reason why I'm making it. So I will show you from the beginning how to set this up. So in the first place, you have to turn on the Bluetooth connection on your phone, then go to the settings. Now in the settings you're looking for Bluetooth connection, and you're connecting your phone, pairing your phone with Android radio. So in my case, the radio is called GOC Android. On the right side, you got setting button, and after pressing it, it will ask what you would like to share from your phone with the radio. So in this case, I would like to be able to speak, so use my calls and also transmit the media, which means that I can just listen to the music, play the movies or anything. You can also share contacts if you like, which means that when someone gonna call you, you're gonna see exactly who's calling on your car, and then you can use the steering wheel to pick up the call, not car. Okay, so after setting this up, you can go to not this one, sorry. You can go to your whatever you are using to play the movies. I'm using MX player, and then when you go to whatever videos you have, you can play the video. And you can hear that audio is going through the radio of the car. So I can turn this down, put this up. Now, if you'd like to share the screen with the car, on the first place anyway, if you will use wireless connection or the USB connection, on the first time you have to use USB cable. So you need to connect your USB cable to your car. If you got the app installed on your phone, it should automatically open. It didn't. Anyway, it doesn't matter. So the app is called EasyCon, which is Easy Connection. You have to open this app also on your car, which is here called the phone link. I don't know if you can see it. So after opening that, it should link this app with your phone. So it should recognize the app, yes, and I can see that everything is mirrored. So now you can leave this, go back to your movies and just play them, and you can see that this is display again on your car. Only minus of this, as far as I can tell, is that there is a delay in transmission, but that's not a problem. But from here, if you compare, it looks like my screen on the phone is actually bigger than the screen on the car. The reason for it is that there are small spaces on the both ends that actually block the view. So it's not the full screen, sadly. So if you'd like to connect this wirelessly, let me exit the app on the first place. To exit, you have to slide the screen. Come on. You see, that's the thing. You still control the phone. You're clicking on the small dots over here, and then the button on this end. That's for exiting. Yes, now it's gone. So the other way is control your phone via Wi-Fi. So you have to use the Wi-Fi. But to do that, you have to set up the mobile hotspot. So you have to enable mobile hotspot. Then you must connect to this hotspot. So you have to go to the settings, then further settings, to Wi-Fi, and connect to whatever Wi-Fi hotspot you have. So I have to enable my hotspot. I clicked too many times, sorry for that. And then there is my network. I'm connecting to this. So now I'm connected to my Wi-Fi network. And then you're going again to your link, phone link. And oh, come on. It automatically connected again. Maybe I should disable this first and then Android Wi-Fi. So on the first place, it will ask you I've done this already, but it will ask you to connect USB cable on the first time, and then when you will pair this together, it will automatically work in the future. So as you can see, I can now control my phone from the screen over here wirelessly. There is no wire connected, there is no USB, so everything is controlled. I can do everything, all the actions from my touch screen if I like, or I can do this from here, it doesn't matter. But again, audio is transmitted via the Bluetooth, so it still works, you see? So yeah, so that's the way to connect your phone to your Android radio and pair the sound via the Bluetooth. I hope you enjoyed the movie. If you got any more questions or you would like to see any more movies, please let me know in the comments. I'm limited with time, so it might take time before I will make the movie, but I will definitely do that for you. So please let me know what you would like to have as a next movie, and I will try to do this as quick as I can. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you a good day.